In this course, you learned all about the building blocks you need to build amazing Flutter apps. Now it's also time to learn how you can publish such apps to the app stores so that you can share your apps with your users and don't just have them on your machine. For that, let's first of all have a look at the steps it takes to publish an app before we will then, of course, go through all these steps here step by step. The first step is a step we basically already did. You have to test and optimize your code. The testing part really means that you should test it on a broad variety of devices, if possible on real devices and also on older devices. And of course, you want to optimize your code regarding its performance and so on. Now I'll come back to this here in the next lecture, but this of course is a crucial part to make sure you're shipping an app that works. As a next step, you should set your application name and identifier and also manage the version number of your app before you deploy it. Once you're done with that, make sure that any third-party services you're using, like for example the Google Maps API, are configured correctly to ensure that your users can really only do what you want them to do. The next step thereafter is that you of course probably want to have your own app icons and a nice splash screen. And therefore we'll also have a look at how you can add that, how you can add nice looking app icons and a splash screen to your application. The splash screen is that screen which the users see whilst your app is loading up, so whilst your app resources are getting loaded. And last but not least, of course, you have to publish your app to the app stores, and we'll also have a look at how that works in this module as well.